Hi, I'm Lisa Ryan, Chief Appreciation Strategist at Grategy. Welcome to Employee Engagement Tips. This is part 2 of what happens when you show gratitude. Last time we took a look at the S in show, which stands for self. You can read everything that you can about employee happiness and productivity and expressing appreciation, but unless you feel it for yourself, it doesn't matter. So let's move on to the H. The H is for health. Did you know that there are actual physical health benefits of having a gratitude practice? The one that I'd like to share with you today will probably help you because, believe it or not, it can reduce stress. Did you know that for every 5 minutes you spend in anger, it actually reduces the efficiency of your immune system for up to 6 hours? Those same 5 minutes spent in a positive emotion, compassion, gratitude, appreciation, actually elevate the performance of your immune system for those same 6 hours. So think about all of those little frustrations during the day that you go through. And keep in mind that every time you're letting yourself get all stressed out, that you're letting things get to you, you're actually physically impacting yourself. So how can you turn that around? If something bad happens, take a look, pause for a minute, and ask yourself the question, what is one good thing that I can find about this experience? Maybe traffic was bad on the way to work, and that road rage is always something that we have to deal with. If traffic's bad, the one good thing that you can think of is, I'm going too slow to get into an accident. I'm not going to get pulled over by the police because I'm going way too slow. So sometimes you can find kind of silly things that make you laugh. But think about choosing positive emotions during the day, because again, when you start with yourself and you start to experience the health benefits and you're feeling better, you're going to impact the people that work for you and work with you, not to mention friends and family at home. I'm Lisa Ryan, Chief Appreciation Strategist at Grategy. I work with organizations to keep their best employees and best clients from becoming someone else's. And I appreciate you. Thank you.